Hello, everybody. How are you? My name is Juan Piscina. Thank you so much for tuning to our YouTube channel, Piscina Music. Today, I'm going to be doing another tutorial. It's an older song from Bethel, but I love the song and especially has been ministering the hearts of many people during these times. And the song is Take Courage from Bethel Music. So let's dive in immediately. The original key for the song is in the key of G. And BPM, I would do it around 71 BPM, 4/4 timing. All right, let's dive in immediately. So the intro is the same chord structure that you will have for the verses. Very important that you guys know that. So it's going to be 4 measures, a 4 bar. So the first measure is going to have a G chord. That's G, B, D. Second chord is going to be a D. That's D, F sharp, A. Second chord is going to be an E minor, E, G, B, and the last chord is going to be a C. C, E, G. Alrighty then, so let's dive in. So the song has an intro melody, and the intro melody goes like this. I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to teach you guys slow. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's go slow. So the first chord, when you hit the G, basically the melody is going to outline the chord and add this A in there. So slowly goes like this. B, G, D, G, A. Let's do that again. B, G, D, G, A. Now the next chord, D, very similar outline, but instead of hitting the G the first time, you're going to do an F sharp. But then when you go back up, you're going to do that G, A. So it's going to go like this. B, F sharp, D, G, A. Again. And one last time. Next chord is going to be an E minor. And it's going to have the same melody as the first measure, going like this. B, G, D, G, A. And then the next melody on the C chord, it's going to go like this. You're going to go C, G, A, C, B. C, G, A, C, B. Now all together. And then we go directly into the verse. So the verse goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow down, take time, breathe in, he said. He'd reveal what's to come. The thoughts in his mind, always higher than mine, and he'll reveal all to come. And then we go to the chorus. So the chorus is an 8 bar. The first 4 measures will go like this. It's going to have an E minor chord. Second measure is going to have a D. And measure 3 and 4 is going to have a G. So E minor again. This is from bar 1 to 4. Second bar is going to be D. And the third and the fourth bar will be G. Now when you go from bar 5 all the way to bar 8, that's when it goes hold on to your hope. That's E minor. As your triumph unfolds, that's D. And then the seventh measure, is going to be a C. And the last measure, the 8th, is going to be a D. Very simple. Okay, so the chorus goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Take courage, my heart. Stay steadfast, my soul. He's in the waiting. He's in the waiting. Hold on to your hope as your triumph unfolds. He's never failing. He's never failing. So once you finish that, you're going to go back to the re-intro. Instead of doing it twice like how you did it in the beginning, you're only going to do the intro one time. So, failing, he's never failing. Verse 2. Sing praise, my soul, find strength and joy. Let his words lead you on. Do not forget his great faithfulness. You'll finish all he's begun. Take courage, my heart, and etc. So for the bridge, you're going to bring it down. You're going to bring it down, make it sublime, and you're going to use the same chords except for one chord that you will see on the top of my screen, which is a D over F sharp. How do you play that? You play a D on the top, D, F sharp, A. Over F sharp means that the F sharp's in the bottom. Alrighty? So this is how the bridge goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You who hold the stars, who call them each by name, will surely keep your promise to me, that I will rise in your victory. You repeat it again. And you who hold the stars, who call them each by name, will surely keep your promise to me, that I will rise in your victory. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Take courage, my heart. Stay steadfast, my soul. He's in the waiting. All right. So one thing I want to explain, what did I do, is that after the bridge, so when you go, that I will rise in your victory, they add an extra measure to build to go back to the chorus. So for example, that I will rise in your victory. Extra measure. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take courage, my heart, and etc. And then what they did is that they just repeat the chord progression from the bar 5 to bar 8 of the chorus, which is hold on to your hope, and they just repeat he's in the waiting. And you can end that song in the chorus. That way you can bring it down. He's never failing. He's never failing. For example. Well, that's how you do the song Take Courage. Guys, if you've been liking these videos, definitely leave a comment over there in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell. We love that you guys are watching our videos and using this to train yourselves in worship and to bring these songs to your congregation. If there's any song suggestions that you would like for us to do, definitely leave it in the comment section or send us a message. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. Until next time.